you so much.
No problem, man. Is it? Today.
Oh, they put the thing in the middle. This wasn't here before.
Which one?
This center thing, wasn't it? Look.
It was almost.
Timber boutique. Timber boutique. There. Or this one on the right?
The one on the right. Oh. What was it? That was because it felt different.
tasked by Umpqua River Navigation Company for the reconstruction of the Humboldt Bay jetties dedicated to the seafaring men of Humboldt, past, present, and future. 1972. Wow. That's ill. Damn, that's crazy. Look, some people have houses over there. There's a house over there, house over there, there's a house right there.
Oh, yes.
The niggas already have.
But we don't have work. All of it.
Look how it came out. It was very nice.
Wow.
Yo. Chilling, just in Eureka. What are you doing? Chilling in Eureka, what are you doing? Nice. Or indoor, or else he's trying to get to the van just in case he doesn't go about this. How? He don't want to listen. gonna show them right now that Eureka has been placed. It's still fucked up, but at least the door closes. I brought it here today. I'll show it to you. You're on the phone. I did the alignment at Tony Gosselin and Tires, and then now I just gotta fix the doors and the rubber panel and the seat belts. Yeah, they did. They already cashed out the truck to GM Financial, and they gave me $1,900, whatever was left. Yes. So right now his hand is injured. Yeah, tell him my blessings, bro. My thoughts are with him. Select the configuration. 460. It is 15 in the city and 18 on the highway, and it weighs 5,130 pounds. Yo, that shit weighs exactly the same as my quad cab 2013 Ram 1500, the truck that I have right now. Yeah, 100% that shit is safe, nigga. That shit is 5,000 pounds plus. If that shit runs into something, it's getting smashed. Why'd you pay 48,000? Why'd you pay 48,000? Oh, 43. So that shit has how many miles? 50,000? 50,000 in like 5 years plus? Yeah, so they drove it like 10,000 a year. Yeah, nice. That's a good deal. Yeah. All right, because I don't like to think of payments and shit. So even if I can't afford it, like that car is gonna be out of my price range. So what I would rather do is, I would rather buy a used GX 460 that I can't afford and just buy the whole shit. Like it might be like 10 racks, 8 racks, 12 racks, but I'll buy it so I don't have to think of those payments.
You go and look at the ones that go and look at like what you would buy for like 18 grand.
Yeah.